Welcome to our parsimony tutorial series. In this video, we're going to guide you through the cash flow statement under financial statements. The cash flow statement is a critical financial report that shows how changes in balance sheet accounts and income affect cash and cash equivalents, breaking the analysis down into operating, investing, and financing activities. To begin, navigate to the accounting module from your parsimony dashboard. This is your go-to place for managing all financial records and generating essential reports. Within the accounting module, click on Financial Reports. Here, you'll see various key financial reports, including the cash flow statement. Click on Cash Flow under Financial Statements. The cash flow statement will help you understand the cash inflows and outflows of your business during a specific period. At the top of the report, you'll notice several filters. These allow you to customize the statement based on your needs. You can filter by date, company, and more. Let's set a date range and select your company. After setting your filters, click on the Reload button to generate the report. The system will now compile the data and present you with a clear breakdown of your cash flows. The cash flow statement is divided into three main sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. The operating activities section shows the cash generated or used in the core activities of your business. This includes revenue from sales, payment of expenses, and adjustments for items like depreciation and changes in working capital. Next, the investing activities section displays cash flows from the purchase and sale of assets, such as property, equipment, and investments. This section gives you insight into the cash used for capital expenditures and the income from asset sales. Finally, the financing activities section covers cash flows from transactions related to equity, debt, and dividend payments. Here, you'll see cash inflows from loans or investors and outflows like loan repayments or dividends paid to shareholders. At the bottom of the report, you'll find the net increase or decrease in cash for the period, as well as the cash and cash equivalents at the beginning and end of the period. This gives you a clear picture of how much cash is on hand after all activities. If you need more details, you can click on any amount in the report to drill down into the specific transactions that contributed to that figure. This feature allows you to perform a deeper analysis of your cash flows. Once you've reviewed your cash flow statement, you can easily share it or keep it on record. Just click on the Print, PDF or Export button at the top to save the report. And that's it, you've successfully generated and reviewed the cash flow statement in parsimony. This report is essential for understanding the liquidity and cash management of your business. Thanks for watching this tutorial.